Hello, in this video I will be talking about 9 important schemes related to Assam launched by the Assam government from time to time. So Assam government launches various schemes like Jal Jeevan Mission, Ayushman Bharat Mission, APSC WDC, that means Assam Pradesh Scheduled Caste Women Development Corporation, then Poshan Abhiyan, अटल अमृत अभियान, दर्पण स्कीम, MGNREGA, PM किसान स्कीम, PMAYG, प्रधानमंत्री आवास योजना ग्रामीण, then APSC MFC, that is Assam Pradesh Scheduled Caste Minorities Development Financial Corporation, then Swayam scheme, that is Swami Vivekanand Assam Youth Empowerment Scheme, then Arunodoy scheme. So Arunodoy 3.0 will be launched. Then NSAP scheme, that is National Social Assistance Program, DDU-GKY. Have you heard DDU-GKY? So that is Deen Dayal Upadhyay Gramin Kaushilya Vikas Yojana, Rural Skill Development. Then we have the Abhinandan scheme. Abhinandan scheme is related to education loan subsidy for students. Okay. Then we have the Apun Ghar scheme, that is affordable home for all. Then we have the Deen Dayal Divyangjan pension scheme. So that is pension for differently able people. For people who are differently able, they will get pension. Then we have the NHM, National Health Mission, that is to launch health initiatives in rural area. Then we have the AAA, that is Amrit Atal Abhiyan or Atal Amrit Abhiyan. So this is a health. Amrit means what? Amrit means something which you, when you take, you don't die. Okay, so gods have the power because they once took Amrit. So that is health insurance scheme for low income families. Then we have the APSC WDC scheme, that is Assam Pradesh Scheduled Caste Women Development Corporation. Okay, so as the name suggests, it is related to women. Then we have the Jal Jeevan scheme or Jal Jeevan Mission. So water supply to rural areas. So so you can write this in your essay. So also, like, a question may come, list some schemes related to women. Also in prelims also it can come that Ayushman Bharat is related to health, education, infrastructure, MSMEs. So you just tell that Ayushman Bharat is a universal health coverage scheme related to health. So then we have the Darpan scheme also. Okay, I have not mentioned. So Darpan scheme is delivery on rural delivery and redressal of public grievances in Assam. So public grievances are addressed. So you have heard about the MGNREGA scheme, Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme. So that is also one important scheme. Then you might have heard about the PM Kisan scheme. I have not mentioned, but PM Kisan scheme is Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi, income support to farmers. Then we have the PMAYG, that is Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Gramin. Then we have the APSC MFC, that is Assam Pradesh Scheduled Caste Minorities Development Financial Corporation. So we have APSC related to schemes. So definitely APSC is Assam Pradesh Scheduled Caste. Okay, and we have the APSC WDC and APSC MFC. So APSC is Assam Pradesh Scheduled Caste and MFC means Minorities Development Financial Corporation. Another we have the WDC, that is Women Development Corporation. So W for women and M for minorities. So just remember, whenever a question on minorities comes, just write APSC MFC, and for women APSC WDC. Then we have the DDPS, Deen Dayal Divyangjan pension scheme for old people, for differently able people. So whenever a question on differently able people comes, write this. Then you have the National Health Mission, NHM. So as you can see in the screen, it is health initiatives in rural areas. Then we have the NSAP scheme. So it is social pensions for elderly and disabled widows. Okay. Then after that we have, I told you, no, Jal Jeevan, APSC, WDC and AAA. So did I tell you AAA? So AAA is related to Atal Amrit Abhiyan. So Amrit means health. Anything when you find Ayushman or Amrit word, just relate it with health. So what are the schemes I told you? So okay, I told you PMUY, and did I tell you DDU-GKY? So DDU-GKY means Deen Dayal Upadhyay Gramin Kaushalya Yojana Rural Skill Development. Okay, so related to village areas. Then we have PMUY. So it is Pradhan Mantri Ujjal Yojana. So it is related to LPG. Okay, I did not tell you this one. Remember? So LPG connections to women from low income families. Abhinandan, did I tell you? So education scheme. Okay, loan subsidy for students. So today we read about these 9 schemes. I also told you about a few other schemes. Okay, so PMSYM, that is Pradhan Mantri Shram Yogi Mandhan Yojana or Mandhan Yojana, pension for unorganized workers, that is. So I told you about what? Arunodaya scheme. So Arunodaya means financial assistance to rural poor families related to women. In September, Arunodaya 3.0 is coming. Okay. Then we have this Swayam scheme, Swami Vivekananda Assam Youth Empowerment, APFC, MFC, PMAYG, PM Kisan, MGNREG, Darpan scheme, that is redressal of public grievances, Atal Amrit Abhiyan, Poshan Abhiyan, APSC, WDC, that is Assam Pradesh Scheduled Caste Women Development Corporations. So what will I do in future? What will I do? I will categorize schemes, okay, related to women, related to education, related to health, related to infrastructure, related to MSME, related to economy, related to polity, related to center-state relations, related to governance, related to infrastructure, related to banking, related to finance, related to income. So I will classify those. Okay, so it will be easy for you. Okay, thank you. If you understood, thank you.